Hello, Jeremy with Screencastify here, and I just wanted to start off by saying Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. As a former educator myself, I understand the responsibility and sacrifice you make for our students each and every day. And in celebration of that, I wanted to share with you a resource that can hopefully save you some precious time as we barrel towards the end of the year. So, this is our unit review organizer. I know as someone who did teach myself that time is always at a premium. So, anything I can do to more easily organize content for myself or for my students was always highly appreciated. And with this template here, which I will show you how to use in a sec, you can, in a matter of minutes, take content you've already created, upload it into this template to form a handy review sheet for you and all those gearing up for final or comprehensive exams. So here is the blank template here with nothing in it, and I will show you a filled in version in a second and give you some suggestions as well. Okay, so now we have a completely filled in copy of our template here. And this one is all about reviewing for a history study guide. So instead of just leaving my instructions section blank, I let my students know that below they should watch each video and complete the included interactive questions. On the left-hand side, I filled in what each chapter covered with a brief description of it here. And here, there is space for me to grab a QR code from a Screencastify video with interactive questions and set it here so my students can simply scan, watch the video, complete the question, and move on to the next section. So we do want to insert a QR code here. So what I'm going to do for now is remove this text. I already have a Bill of Rights video open here that I would love to be included in my review. So what I'm going to do is under my sharing apps, go to generate QR code. I'm going to copy this QR code. And then I'm going to come back to my template here and paste. And all I have to do now is make this a bit smaller so it does fit in my box here. And just like that, if I continue to do so for all the other chapters here, I, in a matter of minutes, took content I've already been using in Screencastify and put it in a place that is easily accessible for all of my students. However, there are a few other ways you can use this template as well, and I would like to show off one of those. So instead of using this for a review template, I thought it would also be a great idea to kind of make it a digital yearbook. So here I put a teacher's name at the top, Miss Jackson's class, and I put a different set of directions. Take these words of wisdom and well wishes with you into the summer. So me, myself, Jeremy Frazier, put my name here and a quote that I would like all my classmates to remember me by. I graduated. Now I'm like smart and stuff. I can follow the same process and insert a video made by Jeremy, my student, here with the QR code as well, and do that for my entire class to give them a handy artifact to remember the year that just passed. Once again, so happy to share Teacher Appreciation Week with all of you, and I can't wait to see the type of work that you all do with these templates. And once again, thank you for everything you do for our students each and every day.